So as you can see on my balance, I currently have 49,500 and I'm going to be placing a live withdrawal over here. Right now, I'll click on the withdraw button over here for me to place a live withdrawal over here to show you how fast the withdrawal is and to also show you that the platform really pays. So right now, the amount I'm going to be drawing is 49,500 that is showing in my balance right now. So I'll just click on the confirm button and I'll be asked to input my payment pin. So right now, I've successfully inputted my pin and it says withdrawal successful. So if you go over to this section that says record, you see all the withdrawals I have placed in this platform. So let's go over there. As it says waiting for review, and this is 47,025 naira. And because of the task, I'm not receiving 49,000 at the dot. I'm receiving 47,025 naira due to the task that was taken. So look at the task, 2,475 naira, and it's waiting for review. So let us wait patiently for the withdrawal to drop. As you can see, the withdrawal was placed by 4:17 p.m. So let us wait patiently and see when the withdrawal is going to drop. 3 minutes later, as you can see over here, it just said withdrawal success, and this is 16:20, which is when the withdrawal ended. So the withdrawal just takes 3 minutes to drop. So as you can see over, I've successfully received the amount from the platform, 47,065 naira from Skybet sporting game and so on. So look at the time it was completed, 16:20, which is just 3 minutes withdrawal. So as you can see, this platform really pays. It's very fast in withdrawal. So do it to leverage in this platform right now to make more money for yourself. Don't forget to join our WhatsApp group and our Telegram channel for more money making updates, because we don't make video for every update. So instead, they are posted there on our WhatsApp groups and our Telegram channel. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, share this video to friends, so more people are going to be able to benefit from this amazing opportunity. Also, I'd like to bring to your notice that if you see any red cross sign before the title of any video, it means that the platform is no longer paying. This is to ensure transparency among my audience and to avoid wastage of time. So just anytime you see a red cross sign, no need of watching the video unless you want to watch it just to know about the updates. Thank you so much. So for you to get started, visit video description or the pinned comment section. You see the registration link over there. So just visit there, then click on the link and to take you to the registration page. So this is the registration page. So all you have to do over here is to just input your mobile number over here, set a login password, choose a nickname, leave the invitation code where it is, then click on the sign up button. So after clicking on the sign up button, you're going to receive a captcha for you to solve. So you just have to input the number written in the image over there. So after inputting the number written in the image, an SMS verification code will be sent to you. Then you click on register, and after that, you have successfully created an account on this platform. So for you to get started in this platform, you have to go over to this section that says deposit. So if you go over to that section, you are going to see different deposit options. You can deposit 8,000 naira, you can deposit 4,000 naira, you can deposit 12,000. The maximum deposit is 50,000 naira. So you just choose the one you want to deposit based on the package you want to purchase. So if you want to deposit, you just choose the one you want to deposit, then choose the deposit option, whether you are depositing with channel 1 or you are depositing with channel 2. Then you choose one, then you click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, an account number in which you are going to send the amount to is going to appear on your screen. So once the account number appears, you just have to go to your bank account, send the exact amount showing on the screen. And so after sending the amount, you just come here and click on I have made the transfer. So this is the bank account, this is the amount. Then you just have to click on copy over here. So if you click on copy, the account number is going to copy successfully. Then you go to your bank, you deposit the amount, then you come back and refresh your dashboard, and the amount is going to appear on your screen. After depositing the amount, you just come over to this section that says invest. So if you come over to that section, you are going to see different packages in which you can invest. As you can see, they have the basic products, they have the welfare products, and they have the tiered rewards. So the basic products are for 45 days. As you can see here, if you invest 2,800 naira, your daily revenue will be 840 naira, and it's for 45 days, while the total revenue after the 45 days is 37,800 naira. So if you scroll down, go to see others, they have the 12,000 naira, they have 24,000 naira invest. So just choose the one you want to deposit. Then if you go over to the welfare packages, you are going to see other packages in which they are for only 5 days. If you deposit 4,000 naira, you're going to be getting 2,000 naira daily, and it's only for 5 days, and total revenue after 5 days is 10,000 naira. If you scroll down, you're going to see other ways such as this in which you can do the same with. So right now I'm going to be investing in the first package over here. So I'll just click on invest now. Then I'm clicking on invest because I want to invest only once. So I'll just leave the one, I can't increase, I'll leave it on one. So I'll just click on invest now and confirm. So you see, congratulations, your investment has been successful. You click on check order. So you're going to see your order. I have one order on right now. So right now, every 24 hours my investment is counting. So I want to also invest in a welfare package. But note, for you to invest in the welfare packages, you have to invest in the basic product. If you don't invest in the basic product, you'll not be able to invest in the welfare packages. So right now I'm going to be click on the welfare packages, and I would like to invest 4,000 naira for the first one. I'll click on invest, and I click on invest right now, and my order has been successful. So I'll click on check order, and now as you can see, both of them are showing right now. So since I've successfully invested in both of them, every 24 hours I'll come and I'm going to collect my daily income, and I'll be placing more withdrawals every day. So for you to join the Telegram channel, you join this section that says join Telegram channel. You'll be able to join the Telegram channel. If you come back to this homepage, this is your invitation code. But if you want to copy your invitation link, you click on this section over here and you copy your invitation link. This section will show you how many people you have invited and how active they are. Then this is other things about the platform, everything about the platform. So if you go back to this section that says lucky draw, you'll be able to play games with your money. So if you click on start, you as you can see, it says whether to spend 1,000 naira to get a chance to draw. So if you spend 1,000 naira, you'll be able to get a chance to draw. For example, if I click on confirm, I'll be able to get a chance to draw with them. As you can see, it is currently playing right now, and I just received 500 naira reward out of 1,000. So right now, if you go over to the section that says forum, you'll be able to submit your withdrawal proofs, and you get paid for it. Then if you go over to this section that says account, here you'll be able to input your withdrawal accounts in which you're going to using to receive withdrawals. Then this is for withdrawals if you want to place withdrawal. Then this is your order, which is the products you invested in. Then this is all your user info, your login password, your password. Then if you want to contact a customer care service, you click on here and you'll be able to contact them if you have any questions about the platform. So do well to leverage on this platform to make money for yourself. I've done my part by sharing an update that pays, and this is you have to do your own part by leveraging on the update to make more money for yourself. So right now, don't forget to join our WhatsApp group and our Telegram channel for more money making updates. The link is in the YouTube channel homepage. The link is also in the video description, and the link is also in our comment section pinned over there. So don't forget to join the family. And our general group is always open so that you can be able to contact with each other, and you can also share your questions over there, and you'll be given a very fast response. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Comment, like this video, share it to friends. Some more people are going to benefit from this amazing opportunity. I'll be signing out for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Keep pushing, keep growing, and keep creating your own cash creation plan. Remember, success is yours if you reach for it. See you at the top.